Here in Jamaica, we have 18 different kind of yam. Each yam have its own unique taste, flavor, and texture. Gwaan everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today, I look one more time. A couple days ago, about 2 days ago, I got dig for yam, right? As you see, in the last post. The area I dig, about 5 yam be in that area. 4 or 5 yam. But I know I'm take out 3 yam, right? So leave back 1 or 2. So I reach down we see what Gwaan. But anyways, like when we don't irritate that section there, I just go for the yam the back, you know, other 2 yam there, and roast it with saltfish. So you can stay tuned with that. Yeah man, roast yam and saltfish today in the vlog here, so stay tuned. More hurry up and reach and do my because I don't want the rain catch me. Sky kinda clear now still, but more hurry up. Because I don't know whether it can change anytime, so therefore we go out. So people, it's a from the other day what time I did the yam, right? I'm gonna show them what I go on so you can check out the vlog there when we do the renter yam with the steam fish. So when you can check out the vlog there. Yeah man, so I'm showing what I go on today now. I'm gonna see what I go on. So stay tuned. Remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Watch your ads because so I make a revenue. Yeah peeps, so much talk here. So I'm hurry up on the man because masquerade down here wicked, they must sing them is wicked, so one done the do and left. Quick and fast. Alright guys, so look at this. This is one yam now. The red one, let me say in the last video. So if you get this, it's gonna be a big yam. Look there. My fingertip here, see in a yam here. So I'm right at my elbow. Alright, so let's make a nice piece here. Nice, it's about 3 pounds, nice piece, yeah. Now I'm going to come for me, so that's the only way so I dig it. People, I want to check out Ellis Importation, right? For all you need. If you want to go on a trip, when you can contact him. Anything. If you want to go up on a date, I want somebody to carry on style, you know, AC, everything, when you can contact him. Church trip, when you have school kids, go to school to and from, everything. So come and show you what going on. See? Inside clean. So nice clean ride, AC working, everything. You know, you have a curtain same way, so you have a privacy. So if you don't want body to know what going on, you can see what going on. And see the number here to call 329 3949. Yeah, see there? Anything. Safe and reliable. That means nobody now taken away. Right? So we have to jump out like some other services. But not taking away. Very punctual. So if you say 10 o'clock at 10 o'clock. For 9 o'clock at 9 o'clock. 9:30 or 10 o'clock. Once a boy X time, we'll show up on that time. So let's check out Ellis compression service. Get my wash off. Nah. Be a mustard, be a rain. The piece here, break off down the ground. Yes guys, that's all I'm getting, you know. I'm say the empanada they must take it out because like when we done the irritate it, so I'm gonna take it out. The piece here broke. You know, so I roast them 2 little piece here. The big boy, you know. I'll cook it next time. Yeah man, it's about 3 pound or 4 pound. It's about pound and a little, so this may I dig with them put on this way. Do it next time, you know. Alright peeps, so I'll get the fire started. Something simple, just the oil and the paper towel. Alright, beef is what go on there. Yeah man, if I catch up and all. Don't know it's not the time to catch. And I know enough cold because I took the yam. You know, so I can fire more I make. Yeah man, so stay tuned for one time I put on the yam for roast. Alright peeps, so see yam here. Get it jump on the fire. Then look one on the side as well. And I put a piece of sweet potato on the same way. Yeah man, so rent a man sweet potato with saltfish. Yeah, so look good. So my gel limp and everything because I'm going to smoke on because then before I finish, you know, I get the seasoning for the saltfish ready now because I don't know the saltfish already done scald off already. So take them on every fire. Boot over so. Okay. Let me stay right here so. Yeah man. We go and soak. Alright guys, so we have scallion, thyme, tomato, onion and sweet pepper. So I'll get them cut up now. Yeah. Then we get this off pick up and thing. So tomato thyme. Guys, you can put no tomato if you want, but really I love a tomato like that, so I'm gonna put a little bit. So you make it how you want to make it. Alright. So, alright peeps, some saltfish that. Some saltfish. Onion, scallion, thyme, everything this, you know. Yeah man. So I get it started out now. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get them up at the fire now. Yeah man. And get them cool a bit and peel up. And then dig in with the saltfish. Yeah man guys, see that? So I kind of feel the yam. Yeah man, piece it this, you know. I'm saying I can put more tomato in it if I want. Me don't put some more because I'm not really a big fan of tomato. So I'm gonna put a little bit in it so I can put more tomato if I want, more honey and more sweet pepper and all that. Yeah. So I turn the yam peel up, you know. Yam and sweet potato peel up. Yeah. I can scrape it off. I eat the skin, but I don't eat the skin. Alright, since I see potato. See pretty? Nice, you know. Yeah man guys, see there, the saltfish, the yam and sweet potato, so I turn up the key, you know.